guys, I realized I didn't really intro this video, but my name is Sullivan. I make food and fitness content. This video is a full day of eating. I'm currently bulking right now, so I just take you through everything that I eat. And if you enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Every morning, I take these vitamins as well as these apple cider vinegar gummies because I used to drink it straight, but it's said to hurt your digestive system a little bit. And also, it's really hard on your throat and teeth. So I've been taking these and I really like them. Right now I'm registering for classes next semester and it's really stressful because I can't get into like all the classes I need. So I'm eating this smashed Quest bar and then I'm going to the gym. Squats are really hurting my hip flexors, so I went super late on them today. Just got back from the gym. I am having one of these protein shakes, the Muscle Milk Zeros in vanilla with, I have to sneeze, a serving of cornflakes as my post-workout snack. And then I will be making lunch really soon because I am very, very hungry. Usually I put about half in and then drink the rest. I'm gonna shower and get changed and then I'll show you what I eat for lunch. Forgot to mention, I am going to be taking a little teaspoon of this creatine and just combining it with water and drinking it. I can't speak right now. I used to take creatine with my pre-workout, but it gives me stomach cramps sometimes if I haven't eaten enough beforehand. So it works better for me to just take it post-workout, and I just use a little scooper from, I think, my old creatine. I think this is about a teaspoon, probably. And drinking that post-workout. I don't know what it is about cornflakes, but, oh yeah, and I only have my tiny spoon up here. But cornflakes, so good. Probably my favorite cereal, one of them. I don't know why. They just really hit. I just took a body shower and I'm going to make lunch in like 2 minutes, but I thought that I would update you on a few things. So I'm like 90% sure that I'm going to be changing my split. I've been having some hip pain doing back squats, and I'm not really sure why because I'm focusing on form a lot and I think my form has improved a lot, so I'm not really sure why it's getting worse, but I think that I'm going to back off on back squats. Currently I have 3 leg days a week. I have glutes and hamstrings on Monday, like heavy day, quads on Wednesday, and light legs on Friday. But I'm going to switch my split to a legs push-pull. I would just rather play it safe with legs, like back off a little bit for a few weeks and focus on my other compounds that aren't squats and see if my hip is feeling any better, because it's always like getting better and then I'll squat again and it will start hurting. So I just think that it's not really worth it to push it when it's not feeling its best. So yeah, I will let you know how I like this split. I'm going to be doing like barbell focused moves on the first push day and then dumbbell focused moves, like dumbbell focused compounds like bench with dumbbells and like shoulder press with dumbbells on my second push day. And then my Saturday pull day is going to be my deadlift day because I'm actually really liking deadlifting recently. And even though I haven't deadlifted in a long time, my strength has gotten a lot better on that. So I think that this will be good all around, and I also have been wanting to focus more on upper body, and I'll just see how this affects like my muscle growth. And I'm towards the end of my bulk right now, so I'll probably start cutting around like January. Yeah, that's just an update on that. And then another update, I'm currently doing finals, and then I'm going to head down to the city on Friday and go back to Oregon for the first time in an entire year next Monday. So I'm actually really excited about that. And then next semester, I actually will not be coming back to the school. I'm going to transfer to FIT in the city. It's just, this school just isn't the right fit. Like, I have so many amazing friends that I'm happy that I've met here, but it's just not the right fit for me. And I am really excited for something new, and I'm really excited to bring you with me to the city. So that's just a little update. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can fill you in on them, like application process, whatever. But yeah, I'm a sophomore going into my second semester of sophomore year, and I will be basically an incoming sophomore when I transfer, which is like fine. It's okay, but that's the plan. I'm excited for a change of scenery. It's a little life update. Now I'm starving, so let's go make lunch. Okay, for lunch I am making a burrito. This is the only kind of tortilla I have. I would use another kind if I had it, but there's only one left, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm going to be putting sweet potato, is my favorite, and lettuce and chicken, and this baba ganoush and some fat-free feta. So I will show you the process. Okay, inside the wrap, I just have a serving of the baba ganoush and then some feta on top, and then I'm gonna layer things in. Okay, sweet potatoes added, and then I'm just using whatever protein I have left. I really hate chicken. I'm not gonna eat it anymore after being at school, but I'm just putting the rest of this in here. I finished off this bag with like about 100 grams of chicken, and then I'm gonna add some lettuce after I stick it in the microwave. Now I'm just gonna add some lettuce and some salsa inside and try to roll it. Oopsies. And I obviously don't track like veggies and salsas like this, because you don't need to, unless there's like a ton of sugars and random stuff in it. Now we will attempt to roll it. Oh, this should be really interesting. Okay. My housemates really just don't know how to be respectful. I love ketchup, so I'm putting ketchup on the side. This is the finished product. Burrito, beautiful. And it looks a little funky, but I know it will taste very good. So this is lunch. These are by far my favorite rice cakes because they have like tiny chocolate chips on the top, so I'm eating some of these. Also, literally look at all the snacks that I have to eat before I leave this dorm. Yeah, I don't know about that. Okay, I look like I'm half asleep right now because I kind of am half asleep. I'm having my post-workout slump, which literally happens every day, and it kind of sucks. But anyways, it is 3:28 right now, and I'm taking my economics final remotely at 3:30, and then at 6 I have to go to Rite Aid and get my flu shot and booster shot. So tomorrow might be interesting. I might not feel the best, but at least I'll be getting it done and being safe and not getting sick on the journey home. Most important thing. So I'll take you along with me for that. But yeah, I just want to take a nap. I also got these weird de-stress vitamins, and I don't really notice a difference, but I've been taking them anyways. This is what they have in them. Today's not the healthiest day of eating yet. It's like fine, but it's like whatever. I'm eating a sugar-free pudding while taking my exam because I have 2 left and I need to get rid of them. Okay, I'm in the same spot in my bed, and I just finished my econ exam. So the only thing I have left to do for finals is submit an essay and pack up all my stuff. So it's like 5 o'clock right now, and I might make dinner before I go to get my vaccine, or I might just wait until after. I'm eating a small apple. I'm going to leave in like 15 minutes. It's like 5:15 right now, and then I'm gonna come back and make dinner. COVID. Flu shot. Yeah, we'll see how I feel tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna take some Advil now. And I'm also starving, so I'm gonna make dinner right now because it's a lot later than I usually eat. So I'm just gonna have tofu and rice tonight because it's easy and quick. I always spill water on my desk. I am just microwaving rice and vegetables and then using the other half of this tofu. This is dinner. I'm gonna add some sauce or something on top, but I'm just keeping it super simple because it's late and I'm hungry and I will be eating another snack soon because I still have a lot of food left. Plans changed because I added some of this. I added a little bit too much, so I had to add some lettuce to balance it out. I'm gonna go eat and I will show you what I finished off the night with. I'm just trying to get my room organized for when I move out, and I literally just ate dinner, but I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna make my nightcap, which is a big bowl of oatmeal per usual. I like having oatmeal at night too, or like cream of rice or something, because it's really easy to pack in a lot of calories. So I'm gonna go downstairs and make that right now. The recipe is literally exactly the same as my breakfast, just like smaller, so I'm not gonna show you that, but I got this new protein because I'm out of mine. And this was one of the only ones at Rite Aid. It's just vanilla flavor, and this one had way better reviews than the rest there, so I got this. I'm feeling so blessed that the scoop is already at the top. Here is my oatmeal for tonight. I am going to eat this and then hopefully get some more packing done and maybe some work. This will be the last thing that I'm eating tonight. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to comment and subscribe. I will definitely be making more of these soon, especially when I'm home next week through January. I'm sorry that this video was a little bit all over the place. I've been super stressed, and this week is finals week, as I said. So when I have a lot less obligations this coming month, videos will be much more consistent, and I will have a lot more time to make sure that they are the quality that I want. I'll see you guys in the next video.